Hello children, welcome to class 5 English grammar. In this session, we are going to study the formation of comparative and superlative degree. As I had already explained to you the 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Today, I'll explain you the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. There are certain rules to form comparative and superlative degree according to the syllable in the positive degree. Before I explain you the rules, let us understand the concept of syllable. What is a syllable? Syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, R, Y. Example, great. Great is one syllable word. Here we are having A and E or vowel, but it's giving A sound. So it is one syllable word. Famous. Here we are having Famous. Here A one syllable and OUS one syllable. Two syllable word. Then beautiful is three syllable word. Y is a vowel only if it creates an AEIOU sound. Example, fry, cry, dry. Here FRY, but it gives I sound. So it is a vowel. Now we'll see the rule number 1. When we add ER to the positive degree, we get the comparative degree. When we add EST to the positive degree, we get the superlative degree. Now we'll see the example. In positive degree, the adjectives with one or two syllable. Example, Ram is a clever man. Here, clever is a two-syllable word. When it changes to comparative degree, we have to add ER to the adjective. Example, Ram is a cleverer than Raj. When it changes to superlative degree, we should add EST to the adjective. Example, Ram is the cleverest man. Now, we'll see the chart, how it forms the comparative and superlative degree. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Young, younger, youngest. Great, greater, greatest. Here we are adding ER to form comparative degree and EST to form superlative degree. Now we'll see the rule number 2. Now let us see the rule number 2. When the positive degree ends in E, only R and ST are added to form the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Now we'll see the examples of positive degree ends in E. When the positive degree, the adjectives ends with E, when it changes to a comparative degree, we should add R to the adjective. Example, Delhi has a larger stadium than Mumbai. When it changes to superlative degree, we should add ST to the adjective. Example, Delhi has the largest stadium. Dear children, you should remember two things: that in the comparative degree we are using than, whereas in the superlative degree we are using the definite article the. Now let us see the chart ending in E. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Pure, purer, purest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Here the positive degree ends in E, so we are adding only R to form comparative degree and ST to the superlative degree. Now we'll see the rule number 3. When the positive degree ends in Y preceded by a consonant, the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. Positive degree ends in Y. There are two things. When the positive degree ends with vowel plus Y, we should add ER to the adjective to form the comparative degree and EST to the adjective to form the superlative degree. Example, grey, grayer, greyest. Here, grey is ending with Y, but it is preceded by E. So, we have to add ER to form the comparative degree and EST to form the superlative degree. When the adjective ends with the consonant plus Y, we should drop the Y and we have to add IER to form the comparative degree, and to form the superlative degree we have to drop the Y and should add IEST to form the superlative degree. Example, lucky, luckier, luckiest. Now we'll see the chart ending with Y. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Here the positive degree is ending with Y. So we are dropping Y and adding IER to form comparative degree, and we are dropping Y and adding IEST to form the superlative degree. Now let us see the rule number 4. When the positive degree ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, double the consonant before adding ER and EST to form the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Examples, big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Heart, harder, hardest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Now we'll see the rule number 5. In some positive degree, more and most are added before the positive degree to form the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Example, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Harnessed, more harnessed, most harnessed. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Popular, more popular, most popular. Here we have the positive degree with more than 2 syllables. So to form the comparative degree, we should add more before the positive degree and we should add most before the positive degree to form the superlative degree. Now let us see the irregular adjectives. There are some adjectives that do not follow any rules. They are called irregular adjectives. Example, good, better, best. Some of the irregular adjectives are well, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, lesser, least. Many or much, more, most. Hope you have understood the rules better. Dear children, I would request you all to go through the rules carefully and learn better. Thank you children. We'll see you in the next class.